If you're experiencing billing issues on Shopify, follow these steps to resolve them efficiently. This guide will help you identify and fix common problems related to billing. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review billing history. Access your billing history to identify any discrepancies or unexpected charges. In the billing section, you can view past invoices and charges, which may help you pinpoint the source of the problem. Step 3. Update billing information. If your payment method is outdated or incorrect, update your billing information. In the billing section, click on Update Payment Method and enter the new details to ensure future charges are processed correctly. Step 4. Contact Shopify support. If the issue persists after checking your payment method and billing history, reach out to Shopify support. Use the Help section in your admin panel to find contact options, including live chat and email support. Step 5. Monitor future transactions. After resolving the issue, keep an eye on your future transactions. Regularly check your billing section to ensure that charges are accurate and that your payment method remains valid. By following these steps, you should be able to effectively resolve any billing problems you encounter on Shopify. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from Shopify support team.